Hello everyone, this is Shobuz. Today I will show you how you can easily reset your cPanel from your hosting hosting panel dashboard. First you have to log in your hosting server, hosting provider dashboard, and then you have to launch your cPanel from your dashboard. From your dashboard, you will see this panel, control panel, and under this you will see this launch cPanel, and you have to click on that launch cPanel, and it will redirect to your cPanel automatically. And now you can search here file manager, or you can scroll down and you will see this file manager folder here, and you have to click on that, and then you will see these files here. You have to select from here, select all, and then click on delete, skip trash permanently, confirm, and your cPanel is fully empty. Now you have to upload the fully fresh cPanel. I will share this share this zip folder with you. You will get this zip file from my description box. You have to open this and upload it complete. Just go to your file manager again and now you have to extract this zip file. Once you're done with all these things, now you can see this zip file is extracted successfully. You have to delete this one. Okay, now you can see show hidden file facing the directory contents. Now I will actually hide this file. Now you will get a fresh cPanel. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like my videos, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. Thank you.